Yo, how's the mic now? Yo, 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 testing. I'll watch the VOD later. Oh, hello? Just cut out again? Cut again. What is going on? All right, I'm gonna have to just reschedule this, I guess. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going. Is it better now? Can somebody write in chat? Yeah, I think so. All right. All right, we'll give this another shot. All right, so I'm gonna leave it in a nutshell, right? I'm not gonna repeat everything, but I'm gonna basically put everything I just said in a nutshell. Here's the 4 hour level thing, right? Really simple, 4 hour level. You want to see this wick fill back as well. So I'm not necessarily that bullish here. I think they're trapping longs. Bitcoin dominance really is not showing too much resistance even after that wick. We have 1 2 hour green candles. What's up, Rangers? Thank you for that. What? Oh, how are you? Oh, buried Mignod. Thank you for that follow. Cute. Steve, thank you for that follow. Ranger, thank you for that follow. I just see. How should I deposit money to Binance? The way I have. I don't. What do you mean? I don't use Binance. I don't know how to deposit to Binance anymore. I mean, it's probably like every other exchange. Um. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance in right after this wick, pretty good wick. This wick was a survival wick for alts. Okay, had this huge capitulation of longs. Bunch of people had long on Bitcoin. Bitcoin crashed, and alts had to survive. So it took a bunch of liquidity right there from alts basically, or Bitcoin, from Bitcoin. Excuse me, came back down, and now Bitcoin's still climbing up. Bitcoin dominance, even though we saw this nice rejection here. Gotta keep watching this 1 hour now. Every alt except for Ethereum seems to be holding its 4 hour already. Solana is under the 4 hour. I want to see a close over that 99 would be nice, or continuation to see more upside or chance of upside on Solana, and this just being a fake out. But right now, the fact we are below that level, we have 45 minutes left. We have to get above that 4 hour at 99. Oh, I don't know, Ranger. Ranger, I mean, Rangers, honestly, I um I personally have money on BitGet. I can't get off because traded into stables. That's fun. So, okay, so Inge is the same way. We got the 4 hour level here on in. Got to break above this. The fact that we aren't breaking above it is concerning. Um, right now. So got to get that 4 hour above here. Got to close above the 34, or it's just trigger shorts for me, as far as I'm concerned. Got to get close to that 34.64 on inch. Bitcoin as well. We don't have a 1 hour green candle. We're talking about that, but it's making a lower high. Can we hold this lower high? That's the question. Let's look at the weekly. I think that's really important. This is ugly weekly. We are back over the weekly open, so this could just be a shakeout. All right, we could bounce. This could be a shakeout easily. Um, I would be looking at the 3 day next, because the 3 day closes today, and if this 3 day doesn't stay green, all right, right there, at least with some body, okay, it basically means we're going lower. I want to see green with a little body. It could even close this low, 42,484. But this is concerning as well. 3 day. I mean, look at this. This closes today. This is struggling to hold the 3 day. Bitcoin dominance is still looking strong here. 3 hour trend. I just wouldn't long alts. Wait for the confirmation, fam. Here's 3 day Solana. Here's 3 day Inch. Okay, let's go across the board. ARB, 3 day. All right, you're talking about bullish alts. Here's one. 3 day looks really good on ARB. A break of the highs here. ARB's trying to hold. It looks like my 3 day wick historically for ARB is at $1.82, fam. $1.82. Close over $1.82 on ARB. I'm long and Matic. Huge dump. Shit. We talked about Matic and how it was a little concerning if you zoomed out to Matic. This monthly right here, we're high. Not the best look. Man, see how Matic Bitcoin, let's see if that 3 day bounce. No, that not looking good, fam. This would be the first time that 3 day on Matic Bitcoin turned bullish and didn't pump. Wow. Soul Bitcoin, look at the Bitcoin pairs too, right? Soul Bitcoin, hot. That doesn't look like a bounce to me with closes like this with that body. AVAX, look at that 3 day, fam. Let me just tell you something. A candle that looks like call them Darth Mole candles. It's a very common term. A Darth Mole candle with body is like one of the easiest sell signals on a big time frame. All right, that was AVAX. You see that AVAX? Let's look. This is like a Darth Maul, right? That's a red body. Okay, red body. I'm gonna show you another Darth Maul, right, fam? Um, on a bigger time. Oh, it's on Ethereum. Sorry, Ethereum. At the Ethereum top, 2021. All right. Right here. No, it's a 3 day. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. All right. So this right here, fam. I was screaming at, if you know me 2 years ago, if you knew me 2 years ago, fam, I was screaming at the top of my lungs about this right here. This candle being the top on Ethereum, 3 day death candle. Look at that. That's a Darth Maul candle right there. That marked the top. The top right there. I screamed at the top of my lungs. This was it. Boom. That was it. It was all downhill after this. All downhill after. Let me just tell you, just by basic candle shape alone, it ain't looking that great on a lot of these alts. Go to the lower time frames on Solana. Is the mic working better? Is the mic working better, Rian? I actually like changed the filters and put it like quality, more CPU, use up the entire net worth of my computer. So I'm hoping mic is better. All right. I'm so sorry, fam. I'm so sorry. It sucks for me. Like, I mean, it sucks for me if you think about it. I just spent like all this time thought process trying to teach, and then my mic was fucked. Like I just get in, I get in the could be even better with music on. Mic should be better with music on. Yeah, I don't. I'm gonna mess around with it. The problem is I had old Streamlab settings on my old computer. Now my old computer was a good computer, but I bought like a super computer through my able to figure most of it out. Yeah, it's basically just look at that 4 hour level. This is we shall see, fam. We got time though. We got time. With 30, 38 minutes, we'll find on a lot of these 4 hour levels. Ethereum is holding the 4 hour. I'll say this: 4 hour Ethereum looks a lot different than. Okay. Do want to? I would say this. All right. This a little concerning. Um, this is also concerning. Right. You just look at the right. We want to hold structure here. All we want to see is a higher low, fam. A higher low. Here's our higher low line, 20, and we're at 22.5 with 37. Can they make this higher low and build body here? That's the question. Or is this continuing down? I think they're trapping long. This is not looking good. Talked about the beginning of that 1 hour candle, pumping in the first couple minutes of that 1 hour candle on Bitcoin. Now we're seeing some wick. Now we're seeing. Can they hold this? A lot of things we're looking at here, fam. Bitcoin dominance. How's that looking? All right. All right. This is good. Trending down on the 5 minute. Oh yeah. One quick, because I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this stream. Don't worry too much about it, fam. Because if you're in the Discord, I'm gonna post some setups in 37 minutes. 37 minutes. I'm gonna throw some setups out. Discord. I think get some good trade opportunities. Might be longs. Let's see. Get over these. Um. Oh yeah. Tomorrow. Okay, I think tomorrow, if it all works out, um, I'm gonna go over Phantom Wallet, Jupiter Exchange, and their platform. I have no affiliation with Jupiter. Okay, crypto exchange Dex. I have no affiliation, fam. Right? I want to make that very very. Um, never talked to a single founder, any person marketing from there to pay me. Shill this Dex. This Dex, fam. Right? This Dex right here is, in my opinion, the best Dex I've ever used. I've used Uniswap, I've used SushiSwap. This Dex is built on Solana. Okay. So we know how well and successful Solana is already, was this like bear market pump, assuming it's over, right? And they just dropped their perpetual, which, if you can imagine, there's people right now complaining about BitGet. First of the year, BitGet locked their exchange down, and there's probably a lot of traders that I know that are still have some stuff on there, including myself. It locked their exchange down, and now you can't trade on there. You can't even get rid of assets, sell it to stables, unless you KYC. Fam, let me just tell you something. There's not going to be the term KYC in a year. Because if you're not trading on a DEX, you're not taking my setups on a DEX in a year, then you're living in the past, right? You're driving a 1958 piece of junk steel Ford. You're not driving the Ferrari, fam. Not riding that. Now, I do think that some central exchanges will succeed, and it'll be the ones that can work with every jurisdiction as the best one-on-one, or pays the money or whatever. But I do think Dex has a huge future, and we're still very very early. You can go over here and pay with Solana, pay with, any coin, really, a lot of coins right here. Um, you know, USDC, Tether, Bonk, if you wanted to, things that are built obviously on Solana, you can trade these coins. All right. You got a nice chart set up. This is really sick to me. I think this is awesome. They have their new, so you can swap. Now, understand this before I go over all of this tomorrow more. The more you use their exchange, the more of their airdrop token you're going to get, and they're going to ladder their airdrop over a time period over the next couple years, I believe, or it might just be over the next year. Dexes make me nervous overall. Why? Uh, like Rian, there's less to worry about with a Dex. The person you should be worried about when Dex, um, the only person you should be worried about when you a Dex is yourself. Anyways, they have limit orders. You don't have to even swap, right? Oh, let me put a limit order for Solana at $50. I'm gonna put, watch this, your buy soul rate. Yeah, I want to buy, watch this, buy $35. No, I'm not selling. All right, I'm gonna have to. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's because you had to click. They want to buy like $1,000, 28 Solana at $35, and then you link your wallet over here, your Phantom wallet. Boom, click this. That's it. So when the chart hits there, this has enough Solana liquidity built on Solana. It's been around for over a year. This is going to fill those orders, and you just did it on a Dex. I mean, it's sick, dude. This is this is the future in my. Um, but anyways, we'll go over that more. I'll get like a wallet set up, a hot wallet set up, another Phantom wallet that isn't mine, and we'll do some shit. We'll trade. We'll limit. They also have so you could bridge stuff. You can transfer your assets to Solana. That's cool. Dollar cost average as well. So if you want to do a dollar cost average strategy, there's a lot of benefits to this. They also have their perpetual coin, which you get by using this. You can get fees get you pay fees get returned to you in their JLP, their perpetual coin, right? Which I had up the price, but anyways, you guys get it all. We'll go over it more. Yeah, airdrops. Yeah, airdrops. Yeah, this is $1. Um, so Brienne, yesterday I transferred 500 Sol JLP. It cost me $1 on that Dex. We're not talking about swap. Like when I swapped Pepe, I don't think people realize when I swapped Pepe, I was paying like $160. So I would swap in and out, and you weren't using like decent size, a couple K at least, a couple thousand, 3,000, 4,000, $5,000, and you're trying to trade Pepe early on. We're talking about pre-sex, then you were paying $1,000 in fees because you were swapping in and out. So you had to have enough size back. That's why I initially had size in Pepe because of the Ethereum fees. You could argue because of those Ethereum fees is the reason I put a lot of money in Pepe, but those Ethereum fees are ridiculous. Over $100 I was paying swap Pepe on MetaMask. On was Sush, might have been Unit, might have been Unit. It was Unit. It was Uniswap. I was using. Yeah. So again, that's a Dex on Solana. Bam. Imagine Solana success. We're looking at Solana right now, and we saw it 6x. Okay, 6x in 3 months. We'll come back down. We'll have the opportunity to buy more. Take that opportunity to buy more. Okay. Imagine Solana success. We're talking about a DEX built on Solana, around Solana, using Solana, and they're having an airdrop at the end of this month. And it's the beginning of many airdrops. They're dropping their Jupe token, 50% of all their Jupe token. They're that circulating supply is going to people that use their platform. Half of the circulating supply will go to people that use their platform. Think about that. That's huge. That's like the bonk giveaway. That's like it's free money, fam. Just to go on there and use their thing, swap it between, pay $1 to swap it between Tether and Bitcoin, Tether and Bitcoin, go back and forth. Anyways, we'll talk about that more tomorrow. I'm gonna do a whole stream on that stuff. So I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna watch the VOD from earlier. I'm gonna fuck around with the mic, fuck around with some shit, and watch this 4 hour close in 29 minutes, fam. Have to get over these 4 hour levels, fam. Just this is how simple it is. Go to the 4 hour level, right? And look where your wicks touch, right? And then right there, you get a general sense. Let's get over 99, all right? It doesn't look like we're getting over 99, but get over 99. Let's start with a green 1 hour, right? The fact there's no wick down there, all right? Maybe a little concerning. The fact we lose this meme line might be concerning here on Bitcoin. So play it safe. You heard my stance. I'm thinking they're trapping longs here, and we're gonna go deeper. I want to look at like a 40.6. I want to look at the 50 MA. I want to see if this will this would be nice. This is the area I would like to see. I don't think this. We'll see. We'll see, fam. I'll be back. I'm gonna fix the mic and shit. I'm so sorry that the mic didn't work. You said something about the 2 accounts with a certain tier for the airdrop. Yeah, Mr. Gem. So, um, I use 2 different wallets, and hold on, I can pull it up. I got some. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna get into this. All right, here we go. So this is a wallet I have. It's tier 3. Sorry, I guess I got tier 3. Well, um, this might be my second wallet, but I have 2 wallets. I have 2 wallets. I have one that's bigger than the other. But I mean, 3,200, pretty good. I mean, their perpetual coin right now is like uh perp coin is um fucked up the mic again. Did I fuck it up? In the wire. Still work? Does it still work? Testing? All right, so check this. Ooh, you guys had it. Wow. Wow. This thing had a nice, it just had a nice wick. I missed that wick. This is the type of thing you can put a limit order on. So JLP is their perpetual coin, right? Gonna put limit orders on their Jupiter exchange, what I just showed you on Jupiter for JLP. Put limit orders like, oh, hit this support, flag out, hit this support. Look at this bounce back to where I bought it. Nothing to worry. But you could have got in at $1.63 a couple hours ago. This is why you got to use the Jupe exchange. You buy some of their perp coin. This is their perp coin. This is just a coin that's tied to their perpetual platform on there. So yeah, Mr. Gem, you probably got to just go to airdrop.jupe.ag. Go and chat. All right, so I'll be back tomorrow, fam. I'm mad love. Appreciate all you. Be safe. Don't get that FOMO feeling. I'm favoring deeper. Favoring deeper. I want to see the reaction at the 50 MA, and we could see it definitely a wick past it. This is this. I think the real bounce for alts is gonna be at 40.4, 40.6. Yeah, I'm gonna fix the mic, fam. I'm so sorry. I've gotten that feedback before. Gotta be something. Fix it, test it, back test it, fake streams. Figure it out, fam. Appreciate all you. Mad love. You all have a great day. Um, thanks for your patience. I like really, that sucks that I have that stream that mic.